Let's talk about the two-way binding related questions. So the question is, what is two-way binding and why do we use it? So two-way binding simply means to share or display the data or information to the end user side, which can be changed by the end user using the user interface. Two-way binding is used to improve user experience by allowing or adding more responsive and dynamic views for making the application more interactive. As changes made in the view, that is the virtual DOM, will be immediately reflected in the model and vice versa. It is implemented using the ng-model directive, which is a combination of property binding and event binding.